By 3 a.m. all the morning birds will be crying, and that old highway will be sighing, and my dreams feel as cold as my bones on the long walk home. And my coat is old and growing thin, and my feet are numb and stumbling, and it's mainly the thought of a long lost friend that comes to me again and again. And I wanna thank my Sarah Bell, who blessed me more than words can tell, and who picked me straight up out of hell. And I miss her real bad, but I love her well. And I remember Don Clancy as a wild young man, but I haven't seen head nor hair of him since he lost his mind and was born again off the coast of Oregon. Oh, where are you now? Oh, where are you now? And do you ever think of me? I'm telling you now, you are the stars that I'll follow endlessly, endlessly.